Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use BMW X5 headlight washer, easy method. Park on level ground, turn ignition to accessory, and make sure washers and fluid are ready. Pop the hood to visually confirm nozzle alignment if needed, then activate the washer from the stock or menu and watch the nozzle extend and spray. If no spray appears, check fluid level and fuse or run a quick manual test. Begin with the car stationary and ignition in accessory mode to allow pump operation. Press the headlight washer button on the stock or through the infotainment quick menu and hold for a complete cycle, about 2 to 3 seconds. Watch the nozzle extend, spray, and retract fully, then check for even coverage. If spray is weak, top up washer fluid and repeat the test to confirm consistent performance and nozzle movement. If the headlight washer does not respond, first check the washer fluid reservoir and fill as needed. Inspect the related fuse and replace it with the correct amperage if the pump fails to run. For clogged nozzles, carefully clear debris with a soft pin and avoid harsh chemicals. If mechanical movement is missing, gently cycle the system and listen for the pump. Persistent failure may require a dealer or qualified technician diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.